In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about your Zomi Mother's Nature W1. Your W1 comes with everything you need to start pumping comfortably. Parts include the pump motor, the 5-ounce milk collector, the warming brush shield that attaches directly to the collector. And because every mom is different, we included the most sizing options with a 24mm brush shield in 4 inserts OM sizes: 15mm, 17mm, 19mm, 21mm. If you need a different size, call the Mom Line to use Zomi's Perfect Fit Promise, and we'll send you a new set in your size so you can pump comfortably and efficiently. The silicone diaphragm, which creates suction and prevents milk from backing up into the motor. And the duckbill valve, which maintains suction. Your accessories include 2 extra duckbill valves, a nipple ruler, bra strap adapters, a cleaning brush, and 2 magnetic charging cables. For more information, check your user manual. Need support? Contact our Mom Line at 1-800-662-7159 to speak with experienced moms and certified lactation consultants.